3D visualization has become a transformative force in both architecture and manufacturing design. By enabling professionals to create detailed digital representations of their concepts, it bridges the gap between imagination and reality. This technology allows for more accurate planning, efficient collaboration, and early detection of potential issues. As workflows evolve, the integration of 3D visualization is increasingly essential, streamlining processes and enhancing communication among teams. Its growing significance is evident in the way projects are conceptualized, refined, and presented to clients. Ultimately, 3D visualization is reshaping how ideas are developed and brought to life in today's fast-paced design environments. Immersive stakeholder reviews powered by 3D visualization are transforming how project teams and clients interact. By presenting complex designs in a visually engaging and interactive format, these reviews make it easier for everyone to grasp intricate details and spatial relationships. This shared visual experience helps bridge gaps in understanding, reducing miscommunication, and aligning expectations early in the process. Stakeholders can explore models from different perspectives, ask questions in real time, and provide more informed feedback. As a result, teams are able to identify potential issues sooner and collaborate more effectively. Ultimately, 3D visualization fosters a deeper sense of involvement and confidence among all participants, leading to smoother project delivery. 3D visualization has become a pivotal tool in the design process, enabling teams to quickly iterate and refine their concepts. By creating detailed digital models, designers can prototype ideas rapidly, making adjustments in real time without the need for physical mock-ups. This approach not only speeds up the development cycle, but also allows for more thorough exploration of creative possibilities. Potential issues can be identified and resolved early, reducing costly errors later in production. As a result, projects benefit from improved efficiency and higher quality outcomes, with stakeholders able to visualize and provide feedback on designs before committing to final decisions. 3D visualization plays a crucial role in minimizing change orders during construction projects. By providing a detailed and accurate representation of the design, stakeholders can identify potential issues early in the planning phase. This enhanced clarity allows for better coordination among architects, engineers, and contractors, reducing the likelihood of misunderstandings or overlooked details. As a result, the predictability of the project increases, and costly last-minute changes are significantly reduced. Ultimately, 3D visualization improves the overall efficiency of the design process, leading to smoother project execution and more reliable outcomes. To successfully integrate 3D visualization into engineering and architectural workflows, professionals should focus on several key priorities. First, selecting the right software tools that align with project requirements is essential for efficiency and accuracy. Ensuring team members receive proper training will maximize the benefits of these technologies. Collaboration between disciplines should be encouraged, as 3D visualization can bridge gaps and improve communication. Regularly updating workflows to incorporate new advancements helps maintain a competitive edge. Finally, establishing clear objectives for each visualization ensures that the output supports decision-making and project goals. By prioritizing these strategies, engineers and architects can achieve optimal results in their projects.